Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be telling you a little bit about these Power Owl AA rechargeable batteries. This is a 16-pack set. They come wrapped as little 4-packs, and you do get a little user manual in here as well. Now, there are certain products that you cannot use rechargeable batteries in, but there are also so many products that can take rechargeable batteries, and I absolutely love having these on hand so that I don't have to worry about constantly buying new batteries, especially having a little one that has loads of toys that need batteries. These definitely come in handy. Now, there are so many things that I love about the Power Owl batteries. These are wrapped to help ensure that they will not leak. So you can kind of see the outer wrapping here. And I have problems constantly with other batteries leaking, and I have never had that issue with a Power Owl battery. So I love that. So I'm just gonna get 8 of these popped on this charger here and make sure that I give them a full charge before I put them to use. Now, these batteries are a high capacity battery, and they are made to hold up to 80% of their charge capabilities, even if they have not been used for a year. So I've got these charging. I'm going to give them a little bit of time until that light turns green. And then I have these little string lights that I've got wrapped around my wreath here that's due for some new batteries. So I'm going to get that swapped out. I love having rechargeable batteries for things like this that are kind of running nonstop normally, and I'm not wanting to constantly buy new batteries to keep it going. So I really love having these for items like this. These are such a trustworthy battery and they have amazing power. So if you guys were looking to be able to stop buying replacement batteries for all of the many things around your home, this is such a great choice. I know that you guys would love these.